Hey you guys, happy freaking new year. Happy 2025. If you are watching this, then you made it. Thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God. I'm so happy if you clicked on this video for the first time. I am your girl, Sade Boo. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for being interested. When you get the opportunity and a chance to binge watch some of my videos, please do so. If you like what you see, please join the family. Make sure you like the videos. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that when I post, you can pull up and see what I got going on. Now, today's video is going to be some clips of a party that I had went to when I was in Jamaica. I wanted to bring my camera, but I didn't bring my camera. I don't know why I didn't, but it's a good thing that I didn't either also, because I was in the moment and I was enjoying myself. But I was recording from my phone certain moments. You know, your song come on and us women, we just pick up our phone and start recording. The party that me and my husband attended was from his sister, big up yourself, Sabi, who is my new sis now. Was Sabi and our brother Siobhan, and the party was... Listen, I haven't been to a party in a long time, but if you have never been to a Jamaican party, you haven't been to a party. You have not been to a party. You have to go to a Jamaican party in Jamaica. Like, it was bomb. Sabi also put us in VIP, which I was loving that. At first, I was nervous because you're like kind of sitting high. You're standing high on top of like this. It's basically like a stage. And it's like sections, different VIP sections. And yes, your girl was in VIP. Can I tell you? Yes. So big up yourself, Sabi and Siobhan. And it was just so much fun. And there was also some artists there. What's his name? Because I keep listening to his song. Where your Bomba clock, you know me? That is my song. Let me see. Eddy Bomba. Yes, he performed. There was another young artist that performed. I don't remember his name, but he was really good too. And there was a female artist that performed. I don't remember her name neither, but I will get it. It was definitely a lit party. We haven't partied in a long time, but when me and my husband step out, let me tell you something, it's an experience. It is an experience. It's literally like we don't see nobody. It's me and him. We're in our bubble. We vibing. We chilling. Let me tell you something. It'll make you stop and pause and be like, who are they? That's how we step. I'm just saying. I don't know how nobody else step, but that's how we step. When we say we coming outside, we coming outside. But I enjoyed myself. I had so much fun. We did a bottle service. We did, what was that we was drinking? Oh, Casamigo. And my boy Efren, he kept saying, Casamigo. But the Casamigo had me feeling so good. And I just was enjoying myself. So it was definitely a party to remember. And yeah, you should have been there. Where you was at? Where were you? You should have been there. Car park. That's where you should have been. It was lit. Anywho, big up yourself, Sabi. Big up yourself, Siobhan. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the treatment. VIP treatment. I like that. And so what I'm going to be showing y'all is some clips from the party that I recorded on my phone. And some will be, I'll have a voiceover a little bit on some of them. I'll play like a little clip of the song, and then the rest I'll do voiceover. Because you know how YouTube stay already. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Please comment below. If you have been to a party in Jamaica before, comment below. If you haven't, I don't know what you're waiting for. Still comment. But I love you guys and enjoy the videos.
Right, so if you get notice, me not play no song. Watch out, I'm gonna show you something that play no song. Street and
told y'all, when me and my husband is in our vibe, we are in our vibe. Like, come on.
Change, turn on the phone line. I'm going pussy girl and say, tell us the artist are never calling. When I say bye, you say on. Bye. Bye.
One question. You, come here. She too shy. You, come here. I'm gonna ask you a question. Look for me good. When last the boy tell us you're more good? What you say? Every time. All of the girls from your more good say yeah. From the boy one you say yeah. You have some girls out there them bad minded just because y'all live good. But I one thing we ever tell them, drop it now. Haters vex from the bless, what's me no stress. One me and a man problem. I'm running out. I'm a good study. I feel me like Batman. You see I'm being pretty confident.
Everyone is the artist. Play with it. Done.